AI isn't coming for your job, but someone using it absolutely will. Let's talk about it. People fear AI like it's the villain in their career story. It's not. The real threat? Staying the same while everyone else levels up. Creators are using tools like ChatGPT to write faster, Midjourney to design visuals in minutes, Suno and Udio to make music, Runway to edit videos, and Descript to clone their voice and automate content. This isn't cheating, it's evolution. You can cling to the old way, or you can reign with the new. AI isn't the throne, it's the crown, but only if you wear it. Ready to reign? Read the full breakdown on Tanizzle.com and follow us for more AI power moves.